Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as MIUI logo pops up on the screen. And this is the MIUI Recovery. As you can see here, you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can accomplish wipe data, so you can accomplish the hard reset operation, erase all personal data, and you can also connect with MIUI Assistant right here. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the first option, which is reboot, and press power key to confirm it. Let's choose reboot to system by pressing power key again, and the device is simply restarting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, so everything went well, now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.